Hello, YouTubers. Today at Video Marketing Empire, we're going to discuss affiliate marketing without a website. We're going to show you where to go get your awesome offer, an offer that cannot be refused, where they have all the marketing done. We're going to show you how to research the keywords so that you can make your videos for that offer. We're going to show you how to create those videos, the tools that you can use for both keyword research and creation. Even if you have no idea how to find keywords, and even if you have no idea how to create a video and you don't want your face, even if you don't want to use your own voice. Okay, I'm going to show you that here real quick. Okay, to start with, let's go find the awesome offer. Clickbank is one of the most obvious locations. So here, I pulled up Clickbank, and as you probably know as an affiliate, the three top categories are health, wealth, and relationships. And one of the wealth categories is betting systems. They can be casino betting systems, sports betting systems, any types of betting systems. And amazingly, during the coronavirus, sports betting is still huge. And a lot of that has to do with people having the time to sit around and mess with, sports betting. So the Z code system is making affiliates a ton of money. Okay. If you can drive clicks to this offer is converting amazingly and making a lot of money. So we'll take a glance at that. This is the affiliate page. So this tells affiliates what to expect, a bunch of info for affiliates. So look at that. You get all these bonuses with all these sales, right? Okay, now you're asking, well, how do I promote this product? This obviously expensive product. How do I promote it? Okay, who's going to buy it? How do I get people to do that without even having a website? Okay, let's look at their actual page. That's zcodesystem.com. This has a lot of their marketing information. Okay, this is what people see. Now, obviously, you can send people to a webinar. There's multiple links on this. Okay, as an affiliate, they had links for, let me see, widgets. That's for websites. They've got giveaway tools. Again, I think that's websites. Here's a webinar. You can send people straight to an evergreen webinar, which is probably one of the best ways to convert, is sending people to an evergreen webinar. Okay. There's also different languages. Okay. They got a Spanish version. So you could completely make videos in Spanish. Even if you don't know Spanish and you don't even read Spanish, it can be done. Trust me. Okay. Russian. You can make videos in Russian. Okay. You can make videos in German, right? Okay. Don't ignore the rest of the world just because you speak English. So over here is going to be a lot of data you can grab. You could take screenshots. Okay. You could actually download this video if you wanted to. Come down here, screenshot, 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 screenshot. Okay, screenshot. Okay, you could take a series of screenshots and make stills. Okay, now you're asking, well, how do I know anything about what type of videos will actually get traffic? Well, that's where this tool comes in here. This is a very cheap tool. It's like $20. It's called Video Marketing Blaster. There's a few parts to this that I don't even mess with. There's video details. There's some pro upgrades if you want to do them. They have a ton of information about how to get videos to rank properly, okay, and how to analyze a niche, how to analyze competitor videos. Okay, there's a ton of other things, but what we're going to do right now is we're going to take this $20 tool and we're going to type in sports betting, all right? I'm going to click research. Before I do that, I'm going to show you We are researching YouTube, Amazon, competitors, eBay, Google, Pinterest, Bing, Yahoo, and the sole purpose of this research is for video titles, okay, which is essentially video SEO. How do we get titles and video concepts that we can use to generate content? Okay, now look at that. Oh my God. The spike in that. Okay, obviously the spike is down, but that doesn't mean the trend is dead. Okay, this thing has consistent monthly search volume, 1 million monthly search volume. Okay, we've got 200 plus keywords already. Okay, look at the YouTube views on this. Amazing. We're up to 230 keywords. So real quick, sports betting tips and strategies. Some of these keywords are going to be hard to compete with. So what you'll want to do is add in something at the end. You could add in the name of the product, Z code. Sports betting tips and strategies with Z code. Okay? Online sports betting with Z code. How to win at sports betting every time with Z code. How to make money betting on sports with Z code. Sports betting stocks. Not that one. Okay? Let's see here. How to make money sports betting with Z code. See? All of these are just titles, and you could take multiple variations of video content and upload them to these titles. Okay? And use these titles in your keywords and your tags on your videos. So not only is this video title research, this is also excellent tag research. You can find some of the top tags out of this and get those into the dashboard of your videos that you upload. Now you ask, well, how do I make a video? I don't know anything about making videos. I don't want to talk on a video. I don't want to show my face. I don't even know how to do a script. Okay, that's where there's an awesome deal right now on this thing here, Vidnami. There is a phenomenal launch deal on Vidnami. It used to be called something else. I forget what. So they're relaunching and rebranding as Vidnami. And this tool does everything under the sun, okay? You can create content videos. And I believe it automatically inputs the wording. So as the video is talking in the background, all the words pop up. So people can watch these videos without even listening to them. They can watch them silent and read them. Okay, because a lot of video content pops up and it's muted. So you want to have something that people can read when they're not really interested in listening to your video. Okay, so if you're going the influencer route, these are influencer templates. Okay, if you want to do video ads on various different platforms, and they have templates to pick from here, Valentine's Day and Christmas. Okay. If you're looking for sales videos, you've got all these different kinds of sales videos, right? If you're looking for a course, which the Z code system could be considered a course, okay? So you could easily pick up one of these templates and do multiple videos and promote it as a course system, an educational, a how-to, right? Okay, and this goes on and on. Here's scripts. Here's different scenes if you want to upload scenes. Okay. Obviously, these are stages. Okay. Again, there is a launch discount on this thing. Normal pricing for Vidnami runs in this arena, right? $47 a month, or you buy the annual plan. Okay. It used to be called Content Samurai. And there are tons of affiliate marketers and YouTube marketers using Content Samurai, using Vidnami, okay? It's popular, really popular. But here's the launch deal, okay? 40% off, and you get a ton of bonus materials for free. So you can get in at $29 a month, which is a phenomenal deal for this tool that creates all these videos. And you can hammer out dozens of videos on this tool in one single day if you wanted to. So you tag a bunch of these keyword concepts, and hammer out dozens of videos, okay, on these keyword concepts. Obviously, you want to switch it up. You can't upload the exact same video to every keyword title, but you can switch up that content a little bit here and there, right? Okay, so you're getting 40% off for life. You get a video clip library of story blocks. You get music tracks. You get training on video traffic. You get some more training on finding clients, smartphone camera tips, which is another way to make awesome videos. Just walking around with your smartphone can be phenomenal. 5-minute Facebook ad formula, YouTube SEO cheat sheet. On the issue of YouTube SEO cheat sheets, there is an awesome SEO cheat sheet that comes with Video Marketing Blaster. Okay, this is a YouTube ranking formula that's part of the Blaster suite. Okay, and they're going to show you all the components that go into ranking YouTube videos. Okay, free training that comes with this awesome $20 tool. And that's not $20 a month. That's a one-time fee for 20 bucks, okay? And they're going to have all the different things you need to understand about on-page SEO with your YouTube videos. Okay, so this is phenomenal, right? Videos you didn't even create because you used Vidnami, okay? You're able to figure out how to rank them with all these optimization tricks, okay? Annotations, captions, the whole 9 yards. Okay, so the straightforward method that we're discussing here is you grab your awesome offer, an offer that sports betting enthusiasts cannot resist. You do your keyword research to get the video titles that sports betting enthusiasts are looking for. They go to YouTube looking for this information, right? Okay. You create those videos with Vidnami, you upload them, and you optimize those videos with this free information here and these other awesome YouTube SEO cheat sheets, okay? Boom. Okay, you're in affiliate marketing. No website. All you got is an affiliate link and an offer and a huge ton of videos. Okay, so here's how to get the stuff you need to start affiliate marketing today, immediately, with no website. Now, we'll go into the uses of having a website later because you can build email lists and there's other things you can do for retargeting, marketing, and advertising where websites are really useful. But you don't need that to start today. All you need to do is figure out your keywords on your offer and figure out the videos for those keywords for that offer. Okay, so here's Video Marketing Blaster, right? Grab this link. It'll be in the description and it'll also be in a pinned comment. I know sometimes it's hard to find the video description. Here's the Vidnami limited time discount launch, 40% off for life, okay? Even if you don't want Vidnami forever, at this price, you could pay $29 a month for a couple, 2-3 months, make hundreds of videos, and then be done with it. Okay? If that's all you ever wanted. So again, here's your limited time discount launch on Vidnami and Video Marketing Blaster, which is like 20 bucks. Okay? These links are going to be in the description and the pinned comment. Check it out. Give us a subscribe. Hit the bell for notifications. Keep an eye on this channel. We've got more awesome content coming your way on video marketing, affiliate marketing for video, and all the ways you can start video marketing immediately.